Hi everyone. So today we have some good news and some bad news. The good news is that we finally have some snow in Ithaca after it being so warm for the season. The bad news is that it is Winter Storm Stella, and because of that they have decided to close the roads down in about an hour. So we're going to try and get some footage of the Porsche in the snow so you can see just how well it can handle, or not well it can handle in the snow. But you know, we'll try our best to get as much material as possible. So we're walking up to the car, and this is what we have to go through. Everything is covered. The snow is thick. It's really bad out here. So we've reached the cars and they are covered, completely covered in snow. Now it's time to dig them out and get going. So first up is we're going to try and move the SLK without clearing anything from in front or behind, and see how that goes. So it looks like got it pretty well in the first try. Well, second try after flying out. We're able to just slide it into a spot across the street. And now let's try the Porsche. So that didn't go so well. As you noticed probably from the video, I was able to park the SLK pretty well. And the Porsche, I was actually gonna take it and park it somewhere else, and I tried to go up a hill and it was kind of going sideways. I don't blame the cars, actually. They both have, you know, winter tires. The issue is that the snow today is not the wet snow. It's kind of like sand. When you let it go, it kind of disintegrates into sand, and you try to compress it in your hand and it just just falls apart. So one of the benefits of winter tires is not only the fact that they stay soft when you are below, let's say, 40 degrees Fahrenheit. One of the other benefits is that snow clings to snow really well. So because it was really dusty, kind of like sand, I'll show you some footage of that. It wouldn't stick together. So so what winter tires does is it captures that snow, wet snow, and it uses that to as traction against other snow to pull you along. And today we didn't have wet snow at all. It was all powdery. So they actually closed the roads at 3 p.m. and So I decided to, instead of parking it on the street, I decided to bring both of them into the garage where they would be safe and not in line of, of other cars that don't have traction either, even with winter tires. So anyway, maybe I'll try tomorrow, I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, I'm not going back out there with the cars in the powdery snow. Wet snow maybe, but not powdery snow. So, you know, we'll see you next time.